Thank you.
Hello, my boy. Why did you deputize him?
This followed a report made by one of the citizens of Nigeria that reported that while on his way traveling, a vehicle intercepted him and, of course, telling him to leave the road. And in an attempt to step out of the vehicle, he saw one Mr. Babatunde Adio, popularly called Suri Lupeju, coming out with an AK-47 rifle and threatening him to waste him if he does not stop. Upon that encounter, they also beat him. It was a complaint of assault. He went to one of our outposts at the SRS and reported the incident. Upon the receipt of the information, the Commissioner of Police, Oyo State Police Command, CP Abimbola Ayodeji Olugbenga, PSM and IPS, directed the case to be transferred to monitoring CP monitoring unit at the headquarters here, and the investigation subsequently began. So upon the investigation and realization that it was truly Mr. Suri and his men that attacked the said man, an investigation was extended to him, which he did not honor, which prompted the police to move on his location. And upon getting to the location, the man eloped into the tin here, and his house was thoroughly searched. Upon the searching of his apartment, some of these weapons here were discovered from his apartment. At first, when the house was searched, 4 arms, ammunition, and assorted criminal charms were discovered in his apartment, promptly recovered, and the area was forensically swept. But further investigation and the arrest of these 5 suspects here led to further discovery and the searching of the remaining parts of the apartment, the other apartment, which led us to recovery of additional 4 arms and ammunition. These 15 rounds of AK-47 rounds were found there with a magazine, a pack of pump action, and some items belonging to a political party were also found in the apartment.
She's my bros. I'm a driver to Suraju Adio. She's one of the helper of me. It's over a year, no, going to 2 or 3 years. She buy me a bus. So that bus I'm paying is only meant back. So I think that January to February, my mother's strong, then I've traveled to my mother's village, Izeliazaba. So on my way coming, I saw my mother on the road. She's already born. So after born, nothing I can do. I go to Suraju to go and tell them, say, fire has already born my boss. He told me, so I should call all those people that are selling parts on the gate. They should buy. How much do I sell it? I should bring that money. So any amount, she will buy me keke nape. She will buy me, so I would go to pay I would pay every week installment back. He's already told me since the following day we are going there to go and buy that marijuana. That's the reason I'm there on that day.
The police now saw you again.
Yes.
How did you feel when you saw all of these things?
I'm not even saw this thing of my life. Then I not even saw him in his hand. So that's so I'm so scared.
Báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí Suri?
Dáàdì mi ni bàbá tó bí mi gangan tó dẹ̀jẹ̀ tó biological dáàdì mi ẹni tó dẹ̀jẹ̀ lé mi lórí òní dáàdì mi òní Surajudeen Babatunde Adio Ìlúpéjú. Ọjọ́ tí wọ́n wá nítorí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níjọ́ yẹn ó jẹ́ nǹkan àkọ́kọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi nígbèsí ayé mi tó jẹ́ pé mo wò pé kí ló dé kí n gbogbo tọ́sẹ̀ tí wọ́n kí n tẹ́ kó jáde tèmi fojú rí nígbà tó mú mi jáde láti inú yàrá tán ní ká dojú bolẹ̀ kó ká bóde tán wọ́n pè mí síta mo rí ìbọn méjì wọ́n gbé àwọn sáàkì kan sílẹ̀ lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn òǹdè ògbó nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pẹ̀lú cartridge kíní tó ní rẹ́dì báyìí ni wọ́n kó sílẹ̀ síbẹ̀ méjì tí mo fojú rí àwọn tí mo fojú rí nìyẹn. kí n gbogbo tọ́sẹ̀ tí wọ́n kí n tẹ́ kó jáde tèmi fojú rí nígbà tó mú mi jáde láti inú yàrá tán ní ká dojú bolẹ̀ kó ká bóde tán wọ́n pè mí síta mo rí ìbọn méjì wọ́n gbé àwọn sáàkì kan sílẹ̀ lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn òǹdè ògbó nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pẹ̀lú cartridge kíní tó ní rẹ́dì báyìí ni wọ́n kó sílẹ̀ síbẹ̀ méjì tí mo fojú rí àwọn tí mo fojú rí nìyẹn.
Báwo ni ẹ ṣe wá fíò lọ́jọ́ yẹn?
Ó yà mí lẹ́nu torí mi rí nǹkan tó jọba yẹn rí gbèsè ayé mi pé nínú ilé dáàdì mi